I'm shortening the bucket to my tractor, and it was pretty damn crooked. And this far, 3 ratchet straps to try to straighten it out. The difference over here was like 8 centimeters, or well, a little bit more than 3 inches. So, and I guess there's about 3 tons of pressure on these straps now. So that's pretty much what I can take. So let's see. Maybe we will need a 4th one. We'll see about that. But I'm getting close to where we actually can weld in a few spots here. Let's see. Here, I think it's not moving anything because of that plate there. 4 ratchet straps. Now we're talking. Well, let's say that there's a bit of tension in it. Maybe that black one could be. Try that a little harder. This one is tight. So it's not starting to crack there. I think it's an old damage. So, all right, I'm about to ready to start welding soon. I think if we weld right there,